So guys, I just got a ring light. Yay! Press it. For how long am I going to be pressing this? That I have to be on my knees to make this video. Oh my god, guys, it's so stressful. Like, the struggle is literally real. But who cares, guys? I'm super pumped.
Bye.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I mean, if you've seen my face for the first time, my name is Veronica Patrick. Okay, my name is Veronica. You can call me Uroni. I just got a ring light, guys. I mean, isn't this amazing? I have been waiting for so long to get a ring light. Not that I didn't have the funds to get it, but I was just, I don't know. Like, guys, well, finally, I just got a ring light for my channel. So let me just get my hair off the camera so that you guys can see me unbox this. Alright guys, so this ring light is the LJJ45. I've seen many times most YouTubers use this light, so I just had to go and get it. And by the way, I just bought it today. But don't mind the way the cat on me, so I mean, I had to unbox it even at that place so I can see what's inside and be sure that it's new. You know, these people, they can be funny sometimes. So guys, this is the 18 inches, in case you're wondering. It's 18 inches and 45 cm, as in approximately something like that. But this is 18 inches ring light, guys. It comes with a remote. Wait, let me show you guys. It comes with its own remote. This is how it looks like. Okay, the remote helps to control the light. It also comes with this. I think this is the charger. Yeah, but it's not rechargeable, guys. It's not rechargeable. It uses NEPA lights direct. So, and this is the ring light. This is the light. Oh my god, guys, I just love it. Hey, why is that going up and down? So guys, this is it. This is how it looks. Okay, let me bring the tripod stand so that. Oh, okay. I didn't actually open this one there. So let's see how this works. Ooh. So I hope you guys can see it from here, Sha. So it has an adjustable knob here, here, and here. It has 3 adjustable knobs. One helps to bring this one out, like for you to balance the tripods, I don't know, the 3 legs on the floor. Then this other one helps to at least bring it out. It can go as long as, like, oh, this thing is long. So as you guys can see, it has another knob here, meaning this place can also come out now. It's long, guys, but let me finish fixing it. After fixing it, then I will show you guys. So guys, number 1, so you can take this down and bring this to the front. Ooh, that is flexible. This is flexible, guys. So let's just make it stay. So let me at least set it up, then I'm going to come back and show you guys how it looks fully. So it has a place that you can literally plug it in. This is where you can plug it in. Wait, let me show you. So this is how it looks like. Focus. Alright, so this is where you can literally plug it in. Then it has these 2 USB spots where you can use your power bank to power this up in case you don't have NEPA lights. Okay, isn't that amazing? Oh my god, but this is not rechargeable though. But it has this 3 stuff here, guys. The lady I bought this from, she already installed this stuff for me, so that's why I mean, I thought I was going to be having issues installing this, so she just had to do it for me at once. So, but it just, this is how it is. Just open it up and it comes up. So now you put it back, and then you tend to screw it back just like that. So that's it for the back. Let's just turn round. So guys, this is how the light looks, like the length. But this is not all. Like, I haven't opened up this plate. Like, if you can see the distance from here to here, it's still very much short. So if I should open it all up, it can even reach the ceiling. So this is just, half of this. This is still very long, so I just had to allow it there because my fan is on, so that it will not, But let's get into this light, shall we? All right. This is okay. So this is like the off and on button. Wow. So outside the remote that you have, this is like the off and on button. This is like to increase the intensity. This is to reduce the intensity. Then let me check out what this one does. What the last button does. Okay, guys. Wait, it's like this my phone is not even giving justice to what is going on right now. It's changing the lights. This is like normal fluorescent light. This is the brightest. Then this is like in between white and the yellow bulb, and this is like the yellow bulb, like the yellow light. Let me just say it that way, like the yellow light, guys. Don't worry, I'm going to do it on me so that you guys can see what's going on. It has a battery slot like I showed earlier. So alright guys, so this is how it looks like now. There's no light source anyway, like you can't really see me, but this is it when you're on it. So I'm trying to understand how this works. Okay, so outside the buttons that you have on the body of the ring light, I want to try using the remote now so that I will know how this works. Alright, so if I press auto, what happens? I press auto, what happens? So guys, you know what or is that nothing? If I press, wait, let me show you guys so that you can see with me, you can walk it through with me. Okay, so if I press this, okay. If I press auto, okay, so that's what brings it back on. If I press this, it goes off. If I press auto, it brings it back on. Alright, so then the next button is the center. Let's see what the center does. Oh, okay. So this is like the yellow lights. So when you press it, it changes. This is like in between the yellow and white lights, like what you're seeing right now on me. I don't know if you guys can detect, at least from me. This is in between the yellow and the white lights. This is like the yellow light, Wow, this is like the white, the fluorescence, guys. Let's see what happens when I press this K plus. What happens? Okay, let's press K minus. Like it tends towards the yellow light. Okay, though it's not fully yellow light, but it's literally turning towards the yellow light. If I press K plus, I don't think I can see it. It takes me back to the real white light. So what if I press this? Oh, this reduces intensity, guys. Like to the barest minimum, like it reduces the intensity all the way, while this increases the intensity of any of the light that you choose to the highest. Wow, this is amazing. All right, so there is there's some percentage. It has 20%. Ooh, okay, 50%. That should be in the center, and 100%. This is so bougie. But seriously, it's so like you don't need to come closer to the light to be adjusting whatever it is. You can just sit down. Wait, let me try it. And just this is live. All right, so let's move on. When I press yellow, wait, are you sure this is yellow? Okay, it's yellow when you press it. Okay, I've pressed it like how many times now? Okay. Wow, it's really a yellow light. Now when I press this W, press it. For how long am I going to be pressing this? It tends towards a real fluorescent white bulb light. Then when I press this too, it gives me the middle, like the middle light in between white and yellow. Wow, this is cool. Oh, it takes it down. Like it's giving you the three lights. I don't know if you can see it. Look at this. This is giving me the center, like between white and yellow. This is giving me the yellow light, and this is giving me the white light. All within these same buttons. These three buttons is all giving you the same thing. Hi guys. Alright guys, so that's a wrap for this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, guys. And until next time. No, please don't forget to share this video. Please let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section. What did you really like about it? What was your favorite light? Was it the yellow light? Was it the white? Or was it the white and yellow combined together? So guys, that is a wrap for this video. Please do what to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on my next video.